everybody, it's been a while since I've done a video. Before I dive into this video, I just want to remind you to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell button so that you can be notified when I post a new video. I'm just going to do my hair curling routine. I'm using a new curling iron today. This is the one I'm using by Duvolle. I've had a lot of requests for this tutorial, so I figured it was time to finally do it. My hair is being a little finicky today, so hopefully it turns out the way it normally does. All you're going to need for this tutorial is a curling iron. I have a 1-inch barrel and hairspray or whatever you use to put on your hair before you curl. I just use a light spritz spray. And then you'll need some sort of a heat protection. This is the one I like to use. It is the Argan Serum Heat Protectant from Province Beauty. You can find it on Amazon. I bought mine at TJ Maxx. It was way cheaper there, but I haven't seen it there for a while. Also, you'll need bobby pins, small and large probably, depending on your hair thickness. Okay, so I'm gonna start by just separating a small section. I usually start on this side and then just work my way around. I kind of have to hurry today because the baby is taking a nap and I gotta do this before he wakes up. This is my first time using this curling iron to curl my hair. It's new to me, so I'm excited to try it. I really like the color. I like the way it looks. It's lightweight. It's not too heavy, and it has the plastic on the end, which I'm grateful for because when curling wands do not have that, I always burn my hand because I don't like to use the glove. Sorry. It does come with a protective glove though. So the only con I can find with it so far is it doesn't have a heat setting. I do like to be able to adjust my heat settings, but I think with me curling my hair so fast, I don't think it'll get super hot before I'm finished. Just really get in there. Now I'm gonna spray my hairspray on and do one section at a time. Have music playing in the background, so I'm sure you guys can hear that. Shout out to James Wilson. I love this song. Just gonna take my bobby pin and secure that. And I hear the baby waking up, so just one second. Okay, we'll see how long he stays content. Just gotta hurry, hurry, hurry. So what I love about this curl technique is you don't have to hold your curling iron on your hair long, because when you pin your hair and allow the curls to set, that's what does all of the work. One tip I will give from experience is you do not want to let the curls set too long, because if they set too long, then they get really limp and they just don't last. So I only let them set until they're cooled off. The hair at the bottom I am not as concerned with, so I do thicker strands there and then tend to do thinner strands up here just to focus on that because that's what you see. But definitely do that however you want to. I'm going to spray some more hairspray on this. Just allow that to dry. I'm just going to speed this up real quick because it's the same process all over. the most part with these curls, I'm going backwards, but if you want some additional texture, roll some of your curls forwards, roll some of them backwards, and then you'll have more volume and texture. When I'm doing a dressier style, I tend to do all of mine backwards just so it looks a little more uniform and neat. I'm doing much thicker strands than I normally would in the front just because I'm trying to hurry. The baby's awake, so. If you do thinner curls, thinner strands of hair for your curls, you'll have more volume and it'll just look curlier in general. If you do thicker strands, you're going to have more of a wavy look, which is probably how mine's going to turn out. Alright, so the baby's awake. In a few minutes I'm going to take these out after I've allowed them to cool off, and then I will show you what it looks like at the end. Time to take the curls out. They've been in about 10 minutes. Oh, and you can see they set up really nicely. Two good curls. Normally I would be spraying this, but the baby's in the room, so I don't want to use hairspray around him.